vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Madisonville, Calhoun, Sebring, Dixon, Henson, Sacramento, and Slaughters. This includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 119 and 136. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Henderson, Hawkins, McLean, Muhlenberg, and Webster. Locations impacted include Madisonville, 60 Bank in Kentucky between mile markers 104 and 113. Western Kentucky Parkway between mile markers 39 and 65. Heavy Ryle Parkway between mile markers 31 and 34. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Hopkins, and Muhlenberg. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morton's Gap, Powder Lake, Graham, Greenville, Weir, Dunbar, and White Plains. This includes the following highways: Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 107 and 108. Western Kentucky Parkway between mile markers 39 and 54. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Hopkins, and Muhlenberg. Highs in the lower 80s, lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 40%. Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Muhlenberg County. 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southern Muhlenberg and eastern Hopkins counties. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lewisburg, has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Muhlenberg County, Kentucky, northeastern Todd County, Kentucky, until 10:45 p.m. At 10:19 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Denver, or 16 miles north of Elkton, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cliff Heath. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Muhlenberg, and Todd. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour with gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cliff Heath. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Christian, Muhlenberg, and Todd. At 11:19. Northeastern Christian County, Kentucky, northeastern Todd County, Kentucky, until 11:30 p.m. At 10:40 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ware, or 14 miles south of Central City, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Weir, Wilmer, Greenville, and Quincy. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Christian, Muhlenberg, and Todd. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following attacks are expected. Minor